guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tips and Tricks. Today we gonna hack the Google game named Dino, with simple one-line code. Subscribe my YouTube channel Tips and Tricks. To play Dino game, no need to turn off network, just type chrome://dino. You can jump quickly, but if you are not that good like me, you will soon get stuck and game would be over. Just right-click, select Insert and choose the option Console, enter the code, copy the code form description. After typing the code, click enter and close window. Here the Dino game is hacked. Don't forget to subscribe,